What's up everyone and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel. Hope that you're all doing very well as always. Hope you followed yesterday's update because yes, I gave you all the targets needed to look for a long or to look for a short. If we had to go down, we knew exactly where we had to look for a long, and if we had to go up, we knew exactly where we had to look for a short. So these were the targets I planned it with you yesterday, and no, I'm not joking or trying to fake something. No, it was all planned yesterday on the YouTube channel. You got all of these targets. The only thing you had to do in there was simply sorry to read the order flow. You just had to read this, okay? And even without, by the way, you could still take a trade. That's why I said, for example, this morning to my team, okay, just said, hey, in the daily update, this was posted in the, this was made before in the daily update before it happened. Normally you can find this in here. You can see here, so this was during the daily updates, VIP daily update on the morning. If we had to come back into the range here, this is a short trade for sure, okay? I'm going really to show you everything here today, how we have updated that in the VIP section here. But anyway, so yeah, hope really enjoyed, hope you followed, and it's so good to see, by the way, that some of you are taking the trade and are following the plan. So it's just absolutely crazy that you managed to take the trade. So that's pretty cool, not gonna lie, that's absolutely lovely, really cool to see this. But anyway, so yeah, as always, by the way, before to start with everything, you have a giveaway to thank you just so much for the 500 subscribers. So you can just go on the website. You have everything really down below in the description. You have really everything, you will find everything. Just trying to find the tab right here. It's starting in 2 days, so on Monday at 12 AM, and it will last for a month, so around, yeah, on the 11th of October 2023, of course, 12 AM UTC +2. So yeah, you can win one free VIP month, okay, one Moonchart sweatshirt, sorry, and one ExoCharts month for free, sorry, okay. So just going to this out is absolutely free. Just you don't need to pay anything really to enter this giveaway, just to thank you for the 500 subscribers, and just thank you so much again for the 500 subscribers. This is just absolutely crazy. Just imagine 500 people in front of me. This is just absolutely huge. Anyway, so yeah, let's come back to this and see what we can expect now on Bitcoin. Okay, so here we have planned this nice correction here in that B wave. Okay, so this was simply here a correction planned on. So yeah, this is a giveaway. Okay, you have all the information. Just go and follow us on Twitter, you have everything. But this was planned, for example, on Sunday. Here was already looking for that on Sunday with VIPs. We're looking for this triple wave here, as you can see, this triple wave here to take this high, then retrace, and then get another rise. So we did took the high on Bybit and on Coinbase. We got the retrace, and we got the rise into the 123, exactly where I drew this, by the way. That's pretty crazy, into the 123 here to swing through upon that top. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And it was all planned yesterday. So yeah, that brings us with a very nice long trade from the very low, to be honest with you, here with this very nice long trade we covered yesterday. So I explained everything how we have been able to trade out within the VIP section. But yeah, so now what we can do here is to place the B wave on the top we have done here. Okay, if we make one more new high, I'm going to show you what we can expect next, because always we'll have to plan upside and downside. This is extremely important, because if, for example, I'm telling you, hey, we're going to go down now, we're going to drop for the C, and we get a rise, what are you going to do? You have no idea what is the plan, right? So you have to still, if you think that, even if you think that it's going to go down, you still have to plan what we can look for in case we push on the other side, and in case I'm wrong, for example. That will not be the case. It can be the case here, to be fair. But the thing is, so now we can remove these turrets. We don't really care anymore. If we have to make one more push to the upside, this is what I told the VIPs this morning, we can simply make here a W, X, Y, X, and Z. Okay, so we'll have this W, X, and Y. Okay, we just add two more waves, X and Z. Okay, so we get one more push to the upside. In that case, how can you place your targets to find your targets here? How can you find your targets of the Z? You just place your extension tool from the W bottom to the W top to the second X wave bottom, so to speak. Let's take a case that this is the bottom for a moment. Okay, so now the first target again is the MC extension, so you pull, bam, this is the first target to the upside. Okay, that is the 120 extension. Second target, that will be a swing through above the current top. Okay, the second target. Third target, bam, right here is a 123 with the 50% right here. Okay, retracement. This is a retracement we'll have planned yesterday. If you want to know more about the context, about everything, read the bigger wave, just go and watch at the, not the latest updates, but the low is coming here. I'm really giving you everything on this, on the, not on the bigger time frame, but on a medium time frame here about all these waves. Okay, this is what we have planned. So by the way, in the section, I mean in this update more down right here in this drop targets also here. I mean this was everything was planned really, so that's pretty cool. But anyway, so this is a third target and this is the last one here, 1618 up to the 618 66%. Be aware of that, we cannot touch here the 20% almost gray and hidden level. This is the invalidation for the target. So if we get one more push to the upside, then we're going to look for these targets here for a short trade. Again, what you have to do here when you reach the target, you just read the order flow, you just read this data here behind the market. You can see this is the data behind the market, if you can say that. So you can make your own decisions, okay, such as for example yesterday night, okay, yesterday before to go to sleep, I just say to my team, hey, is it bearish right now? Absolutely. So it was yesterday at 11 p.m. 38. So if you go here on TradingView, you go at on the 1 minute, or maybe that's gone by a bit here, okay. So if you go here right there, okay, we got our drop. But here we got absolutely no reason to take a short here, okay. It was so 11:38, so it was on around the low here, it was around there, you can see, so around the low here. I just say to my team, is it bearish? We have absorption on the low, so to speak. We have some people trying to short, but we have some bigger limit, big players here absorbing all these market, all the long shorts coming in, so it's not going to move down, of course. Okay, it can, but it's more likely not. In addition to this, we have no absorption on the high, so to speak. We have no absorption, sorry, to go I mean for a short. We have no absorption on the short, so to speak. The longs that are opening are not getting absorbed yet on the market. Okay, if you want to get more details about why is absorption, why is exalt charts, why is all of this, just have to go and check out the mooncharts.fr website, where by the way I'm running the giveaway on my website. Really, where is the giveaway here? You just have to go in the course section, exalt charts here, and you will find everything. Okay, so yeah, just say, hey, we have no this data, no MC short reaction also, except on the 10-second chart, but we have it on the low right now, and we have absorption against it, so it's not good. And in addition to that, this morning I just said also the reason also for not taking this short is that we have no trapped longs on that top really at that time. Okay, we got no any trapped longs. So with this, I am not shorting yet that rise. Okay, I am not shorting yet that rise right here. I just say to my team, I am not shorting this rise here. Okay, this rise here, I'm not shorting this yet. So as I said, the process next is simply you look for a retest, a swing through pan, or a continuation. The retest, we got no reason to short that again. Here it was midnight and was 1 a.m. I was clearly sleeping here. I was really tired about with my day yesterday, so I went asleep. But I said clearly to my team, we have to look for a retest first, swing through pan that top, or a continuation if there is no swing through pan. Step by step, we just have to read the order flow on this step. No any reason to short this top right here. So what we do here, then we just look for the same, no retest, so we look for the swing through pan, and surprise surprise, what is coming in here? The swing through pan. And from this swing through pan we got good data, but again for me it was 3 a.m. so I was absolutely sleeping at that time. And so this morning for me that top was missed, okay, but it's fine. We always have a way to enter the market. And what was the way? It was simply, as I said this morning to my team, and normally explained that also yesterday for you on the Discord server, I can't remember, on the YouTube channel. But anyway, the way to short that, if you miss that because you were sleeping, it's simply to wait to reclaim that range. If we get acceptance here below, that's a short trade. We just press the sell button and we come back down. Okay, that's simple as that. Okay, so that's why posted that in here. You got this very nice short trade plan in the daily update. If we have to go and get acceptance into the range, this is a short trade and you write it down with a very quick move to the downside against here. And so this is how you play it, right? That's pretty cool. So yeah, and as, by the way, I just say to my team next, make sure to take break one still, just in case we make the double XYXND to the upside. And exactly at 12 p.m. and 6 minutes, that is exactly on the very low of the very low, we did got a bit of a push to the upside. So when we take profits, bam, we get a rise. That's pretty crazy. Absolutely love it. So yeah, and so from here I just say, hey, now I was working on the website. So because we have a bit of a bug. So if by the way you are checking for the course, it's absolutely normal if you have a very ugly page, if we can say that. Okay, you're just going to get this with no design. It's not normally it's not looking the same. You have a design on the website where you really have something better than this. Okay, but now you'll just get this header, this footer here, and you just get this blank page, I mean this what page here with the course and the summary below. Okay, simply because there is a plugin, I mean a very famous plugin that is almost every update we are getting some bugs. This is just absolutely crazy really for a famous plugin like this. But anyway, so now we are getting these bugs. So we are getting, if I just add the design, it's not going to show the course, so I prefer to remove the design and you can see the course. So yeah, it's gonna be like this for Normally not too long, hopefully if they feel the issue, but we need to wait for an update from their side. I can just not do any more than this on my side for the moment. So yeah, this is going to be like this for the moment, but if you want to learn, you can see absolutely everything is still available online, no worries. Yeah, you just have to go on the Moonchart website and you will find everything. But anyway, so yeah, so yeah, I'm really happy to see that some of you took the trades, okay, took the trade here to short that, okay, everything was planned yesterday, so that's pretty cool. So now the thing is, the question is what we can expect next. So first of all, in case we push up, we are in, I'm going to look personally for this double XY and the downside. Now, is it more probable to make a double XY or more probable to make a double XY XNZ? So the most probable is the double XY only. So do we bet on the less probable waves? No, we do not bet on this, okay, because it's less probable. So this I'm going to put it in a folder because I don't want to do the charting while it's moving to be aware of the target. I have to get it in a folder, so double XY X and Z, okay. So we can just hide this, place that B wave on that top, and we can simply now look for the targets we have planned to the downside. That's the only thing we have to do, okay. We look for the 120 extension first, we look for the 1823, we look for the 1618. How to pull the extension tool? Again, it's exactly the same than the double XY, and we go to the upside here. I mean, if we do the last push to the upside, simple. You pull the extension tool from the W root to the W bottom to the second X wave top, and you add your 120 extension, 1823, 1618, and of course the 20% invalidation in case we go there. But in any case, if we get invalidation, we don't care, we short it at top. So if we drop like this and we just, for example, go below, just enjoy the short trade. That's it, really, okay. So it's not absolutely not a problem. So now to add some more confidence, if you want to add some more confidence, such as for example this 38.2 here, we will go to short trade. You can pull your extension tool. So let me just go on a bit of a bigger time frame. You can pull your extension tool on the ABC zigzag. Okay, we'll have plan here. So A wave root, A wave bottom. And if you want to learn how to use this, you just have to go on the website to the B wave top. So still be aware of that. So this is the MC extension, the first target, but be aware of that sometimes we can absolutely stop before I have a fib that I'm testing for this. I was talking about this morning with VIPs that stop around the 120 extension. So we still have to be aware of this first target, because here, for example, on Coinbase, we did took that low with that wick here. But if you go, for example, on Bybit, we have 3 higher lows here right there. Okay, so I'm just going to remove some few range. We'll have, as you can see here, a low. So a higher low on the right and another higher low here. So what's happening here? We have a lot of people stop loss, long stop loss here, okay. We have so much long stop loss at this place, and so of course this is a very good zone to look for a big wick or even a continuation to just direct everyone all the long way to just trap them. I mean, just stop them from the trades. For example, you know, people, if they're starting the trade, for example, they're not really scalping, they're going to say, okay, it's moving up, I'm longing. Okay, it's moving down, oh my god, I'm underwater. So there are some here that are going to close the trades because they're just so afraid about the move to the downside. We almost reached here, so they're like, okay, I'm forget, so I'm going to close the trade. And bam, you do not take the low. Okay, from here, a lot of people longing. It's not yesterday, for example. If you remember good, yesterday in the update, I told that here we got 7 millions of new longs opening at that place. We didn't got the retrace directly, we got the rise, but these kind of people are not all the time clothing, I mean, or just not the time, just not all the time clothing their trade. They're just longing and pray for higher. And so of course, when the drop is coming, bam, we go and take out the stop loss because they're still in their trades, okay. So this is how it works, really. And so that's why we go and take out these people's stop loss, because how trading works is simply we take the others' money. So if you have a huge amount of people longing all of this, we're going to do this to take these longs money and to take the stop loss, going to the liquidation points of the account and all of this, so we can just take these longs money, right? So yeah, we have to be aware of these triple high lows here. That's why we have to be aware of the first target of the Z, and even if this is not the first target here of the C wave, okay. So we have to be aware of that first target of the Z. Now, first, I mean, to add some more confidence with the 1823, we have the MC extension, so 618 down to the 786, okay. We have the 712 here. So for example, if we go below the 1823, we can spend some time, touch the 786 sorry here, and get a continuation higher next, okay. We do not need to touch it exactly because now we have the confidence. If we go below this, we'll have the 120 extension with the the 1618 of the Z, okay, of the Z here, plus the 120 extension of the C, and the 1823 a bit below. So as you can see, even here we can do a wick below here, spend some time to touch the 1823 here is possible. Okay, so this is a confidence we can add. Now I don't like to get too much stuff on my chart, so I'm just going to remove that and add it back when it's needed. If you want, you can just bam, hide it on the right here in the tree section right there, okay. Tree and data window, so you can just show it when it's needed, really. But personally, I have another chart where I have everything on there, so don't need on that one. So yeah, that is a plan right now. Nothing more to add on this really. Don't forget that the giveaway is starting on Monday, so make sure you have an account ready on the website so you can just start. You just have by the way, completely forgot yesterday. I added that in the description of the video, but you really have to be aware of something. When you if you have an account, you just have to log in on the website. If you normally it's not like that. I don't know why it's showing like this. Anyway, there are some few stuff here that was for Discord, but I changed that yesterday. I don't know why you didn't change it anyway. So here too. No, I'm gonna take that one. What you have to do is just to visit our website, okay, if you want to participate to the giveaway. Again, the rewards, if you can say that, the number one is a VIP mount. This is what you asked, so here is. The second giveaway is, second prize is the MC sweatshirt, and the third one is the Exo Chance mount for free. So this right here for free for a month, okay? Bam, bam, bam. And so yeah, so the thing is, first of all, you have to visit our website, okay? Go in the plan section, create an account, and if you already have an account, just log in on the website. Really, when you're logging in, just click the link that will bring you on this page for the giveaway. Now of course this is not currently running because it's starting today, so it's absolutely normal, but you will have some steps next to complete to get some points. To enter the giveaway, we will need a username and an email, simply to contact you at the end in case you win, because if you win and we don't have an email and a username, it's not linked to the Moonchart account, okay? It's something else, so that's why you have to add again all your email with a username so we can contact you if you win. So don't forget, that is a very, very, very important step. Don't forget to verify your account. Once you added a username and an email on the right here, okay, you will have a button here to enter with an email. When you added your username and your email, you have to verify your account. How to do this? You just have to click the link received in your mailbox. That's the only thing you have to do. Once you have done this, the email is verified and you have a chance to win. If you don't do this, you cannot win a prize. You will be in the giveaway, but you at the end it's not possible to pick you at the end, simply to avoid all the spams and everything. That's the reason why I'm doing this, because we already got that before, so I don't want to make this anymore. So yeah, and your account, as I said, unverified, won't be able to win, so make sure to do this step. It's extremely important. Once you have done this, just do a step that are added. For example, you have 1 point for free or something. For free, everything is free, but you have 1 point without doing anything. You just have to, for example, follow me on Twitter, watch a video or something like this, and you will get some points. And more points you have, more chance you have to win. So complete all the steps and you have a high chance to win, really. Except if other people have also a lot of points, and so you're gonna get the same chance to win, okay? But less points you have, less chance you have to win. So yeah, and the point number 6 is just good luck, really. Okay, so anyway, I wish you all a brilliant day. Have a nice weekend, by the way. Take care of you, and if you want to get more of us, as always, everything is on the MOONCHARTS website. Every Sunday I'm live to plan the upcoming week, such as, for example, right here on Sundays. This is what we have planned. Oops, right there. Okay, this is what we have planned here. This nice triple wave. This is how it plays. So that's pretty cool. We're live every Sunday to just update the chart, and every single day otherwise of the week to just update the chart, to plan the upcoming day, such as this right here. This was this morning in the VIP daily update. We planned this nice short setup if we have to get acceptance back into the rent, because I missed that top. I was sleeping, so this is also something you have to sleep. You cannot stay up like this all the night. But yeah, made the process very clean and very clear in the VIP trade money print channel here. Just say, hey, I did not short that top, and we took the highs once more. So people that was like, oh my god, I'm going to miss that short, that was a target here. Now you avoided the loss. Bam, we took the highs once more. So you will normally be stopped out because the stop loss will be taken. That's pretty cool. So if you want to get such content, you can just go on the MOONCHARTS website. You have everything in there. Go in the plan section, check this out. You can also check everything about us, merge testimonials, one-to-one session. Just log in if you have an account, go to learn. That's not the there is no real design. There is no real design right now, so that's like a bit. But yeah, it's gonna be added back soon, hopefully, if they fix this. Hopefully very soon. Anyway, I wish you all a very good day. Don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe to the channel, to turn notification. Thanks so much again for the 500 subscribers. And yeah, don't forget also to drop some comments down below. This is very, very good for the YouTube algorithm. And anyway, as I said, have a nice weekend. Take care and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.